Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So first, I just want to apologize on the video that it is not full screen like it usually is. I actually recorded this video for Instagram and I had to turn the phone the other way. So that's why it is not full screen. I am so sorry. But let's just hop into this video. So I wanted to show y'all how to do a really huge bun. This is exactly how I do my huge buns. I'm just detangling my hair a little bit because it's looking a little rough, and you need to have detangled hair in order to get this perfect huge bun. So I had sprayed it with a little bit of water, and I am just moving my hair up to exactly the spot that I want my bun to be in. So after that, I am just going to smooth my hair down. And what I like to use, I use the Extreme Gel. I put that all over my hair, and then I go ahead and use one of my favorite edge controls right now, and it is called Edge Effect. I will leave all this information down below in the description box, but I go ahead and put that on top of the Extreme Gel, the blue gel, and then I just brush it, and y'all look at the slickage. Just look at it, and my hair stays like this all day. I don't have any white residue. It stays put all day. This is like my favorite combo to keeping my edges laid, and especially when I'm wearing a high puff or a bun, you need that. And so I am just taking my hair tie, headband, whatever you want to call it, my super stretchy one, and I just put it in the back to where I want it. I go ahead and cross it in the front and then just bring it back over. You don't want your headband too tight, but make it tight enough to where it's not going to slip or not go anywhere. So once my hair is up in this ponytail, I like to take my comb and just make sure that everything is, detangled in place, because some of your hair could still be sticking out. So that's why I like to comb it and make sure that it's all uniform, if that makes sense. So I just go ahead and put my hair up into like this cone shape, this Hershey Kiss shape, and then I just twist my ends just a little bit, and then I take a rubber band and I just go ahead and secure that and it just looks like a cloud. But I go ahead and just push that in. I go ahead and push the top part in, and then I take a bobby pin and just pin that down, and there goes your big, huge, ginormous bun. And then I just shape it to my liking. And I also like to secure it in the front where the bun is. I like to put bobby pins right there. I thought that I recorded that, but I guess that footage is lost somewhere in my phone. But I do like to secure it all around. And of course, this part is completely optional, but I do like to just swoop my edges just a little bit, but it's perfect without doing your edges like this. So this is what it looks like, y'all. I love this bun. It's super quick, super easy, and I just love how it's giving me what it needs to give. And if you want your bun smaller, because I know this is really huge, just go ahead and take it in a little bit more. You see how I'm just pushing in that hair tie some more, and that's making the bun smaller. Or when you first do the bun, just go ahead and make it tighter. We'll make it not as big as if you would have it in a puff, but just have it as to where you would have it in a ponytail. I hope that makes sense. But this is basically it, y'all. Let me know what you think. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all on the next video.